Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing video of I'm unboxing the LED Kit Pro 600. Okay, I just got it and this is Valentine Day gift for myself, and I'm trying to unbox. Okay, here's the adapter. It's an adapter you can power the light directly with, I believe. Okay, I'm showing on a very low light right now, very low light, like the place is super dark. So I'm showing, okay, that's the adapter, and I'm just trying to get a focus on it. And then there's an extension cable for it. You can connect to the adapter. You connect that mount right there to the adapter. Okay, that's it. And then let's go next to it. Okay, now we have the charger for the battery. It comes with 2 battery packs. Yeah, so let's take that out. Okay, that's the charger for the battery. Just put the battery in there and plug it in directly, you start charging. Okay, let's go straight to the, okay, that's the main light. We'll go to come back to that later. But let's talk about the battery. Let's get that. No, it's not that easy getting this off. I'm holding the camera in my hand and I'm trying to have a video at the same time unbox this. Okay, that's one of the batteries. Okay, that's a Sony EF battery. I think I can I get a focus on that? I just couldn't get a focus on that. Okay, let's get the other battery out. There's just 2 of them, 2 batteries. Just peel that. Okay, hopefully soon we're going to get proper unboxing videos soon, hopefully. Okay, that's it. That's the battery, the second battery. Okay, now let's get over to the stand. You see? Okay, yeah, just peel it off. So this is what you connect to the light, and you put this other head on the head of the camera. You know the place you connect your flash? Yes, this is where you attach, and here you just screw it to the light. Okay, now let's get the light itself. Let's get the Pro LED 600 out. Okay, this is it. This is Pro LED 600. It looks quite beautiful. Yeah, looks good. Okay, this is the light, and let's just open it up. Okay, this is Pro LED 600. Looks really beautiful if you ask me. So what's next is I'm gonna have a review of it right now. I'm gonna see if I can use it to light up my scene while I'm doing during this unboxing. Okay, this is the back of it. This is where you connect your battery. This is actually upside down right now. This is the back. This is where you connect your battery. These are the power button. You can see it's quite a beautiful piece, you know, and it's quite affordable. Yeah, I know some person is going to be interested in the price. It's in this Nigeria, so the cost is 25,000 naira. I don't know, maybe you could possibly get in shops for cheaper price, but this is an offline or rather an online store I got it from, and I got it for 25,000. So probably you can just go to any shop out there and get it, maybe an electronic store or something. But it's quite beautiful. Yeah,